Hello, this is Josephine Gibbs here. I want to show you how to begin a Wevideo. You need to start with, obviously, you need to have your dashboard. At the moment, I'm on my dashboard, but have a look at the projects tab. And at the moment, we have the My Project starting at the moment. This is your media. So these are the recordings I've made about several things, topics, and the videos that I have already published. Now you go back to the dashboard to create a new one. So you need to say, right, create a new. All right, so I've already taken several. So I'm going to create new, and it will ask you which one, horizontal or a square. So I'm going to select horizontal, then I'll start editing. First of all, I need some resources. I don't have any resources here at the moment. So what I usually do is I put a title. So this is the titles. In this title, I would use this one because I've been using this quite a bit. So the title is the opening credits, so to speak, or the title of your video. What you need to do is edit the titles. So in the first one, this one here, put how to start a video in Wevideo. I've done that, so I'm going to click done editing to get out of the thing. So how to start a Wevideo in Wevideo. This is just to show how it works. Now we're going to create a resource. Here, this is the media folder. You got to click on media folder and start recording something. I usually use the webcam if I want to show myself talking. Okay, I'll stop recording for now.